In this video, I will show you how to install QGIS on your Mac. So you go to the download page and you choose the older version, which is the most stable version. You click on it and the download will start. Take a few seconds, then you open that. Another pop-up window will open and the download starts. Once that's done, you drag the icon to your application folder. It's going to download again. Once that download is done, you're going to try to click to open the QGIS, but your Mac might prevent the opening. So you have to open your system preferences and go to security and privacy. And at the bottom here, you might see that the computer is blocking. So you want to click to allow the opening from QGIS. Then once that's done, you can just click on the icon to open the software. And that's done. You can start a new project.